Hello, welcome back. I'm Abhishek De Silva, an undergraduate of the JAM Institute for Advanced Technology. Welcome back with the project named eShop, and today I'm going to discuss about the design of this responsive seller store page, which have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript as the languages and Bootstrap as the framework. So here we can see a separate header I've created with the profile image of the user and name of the user and also the email address. And then here we can see a text as my products, and then we can see here a button as add product. And then we can see two sections here as the sort section and the body section. Here in the sort section, here too we have used text as sort products, and then here too we have used an input tag with an icon as this search icon, and then have used a text as active time, and then here I have given a Bootstrap radio buttons, and then likewise for the quantity and condition, there too I have given the Bootstrap radio class buttons. And then I have given here two buttons as sort and clear. And then in the body section, here I have added a Bootstrap card here with an image, and then here text as the product title, and then the product price, and also some text. And here I have used a button as update, and then here I have added a pagination, and then here I have included our photo.php file. So then let's move to code of this. At first I have used HTML format, and then for the title of this head tag I have given the title as my products eShop, and then using this link tag, and I have linked our bootstrap.css file, and then the bootstrap icon file, and then our separate css file here. And then after that I have linked our logo, which is the favicon, and then in the body I have styled the body tag using the style attribute, and I have given a background color. Inside the div I have given a class as container fluid here, and after that I have used the rows and columns of Bootstrap to make our page responsive. So here I have given the background color as primary, which means this, which related to this blue color, this is primary color. And then here I have again used the row class, and then 4 columns in the large screens and 12 columns in the other screens less than the large screen. And then again I have used the row here, and then here too I have told to obtain 4 columns in the large screen and 12 columns in the other screens, and also I have told to give a margin bottom as 1 and then a margin top as 1. And then I have used the class as text center, and then I have used the image tag and Bootstrap class as rounded circle to make our profile image rounded. And here I have used span tag, and I have used the text as Sahan Peda, the name of the user, and then I have used the Bootstrap classes here also as font weight as bold and text white. And then here after that I have used again a span tag with the class called 12, and with the span tag class as text black 50 and FW bold, it means font weight as bold. And then here I have given the email address of the user, and then after that in the h1 tag with the text my products I have used the class as offset 4, it means to keep an offset of 4 columns, and I have given the offset lg2, it means to keep an offset of 2 columns when it in large screens. And then I have given the text as the text color as white here, and then the font weight as bold. And then after that again I have used a button with the text as add product, and I have used the Bootstrap class as button here, and then the color of that button as button warning, and then I have given font weight as bold. And then here I have used another class as dgrid here, it means display grid. Here display grid means the button contains the full width of the relevant columns. And then here the body section, here you can see here too we have used the Bootstrap classes, that means columns and rows, the Bootstrap grid system to make this more responsive. Here I have told to obtain 12 columns, and then inside that I have again used the class as row, and then the design of the sort part here. And then here we can see I have told to obtain 11 columns, and then I have told to obtain 2 columns when this in a large screen. And then I have used a border here, and border I have given the border color as primary, and then I have used the rounded class here to make the border radius. And then I have used the class as fs5, it means the font size equal to 5, and after that I have used a label as sort product, and then I have used the classes as form label and fw bold, it means font weight bold and font size 3 here. And then the input tag I have used the bootstrap class as form control, and there I have given an id as s here. And then I have used a placeholder as search and the type as text. And then in the next label I have given the relevant icon, that means the search icon here. This is a bootstrap icon. I have again used the label as active time, and then I have given the classes as form label and font weight bold. Then next div there's an horizontal ruler tag. I have styled that separately using the style attribute. I have given the width as 80%, and then here I have used again an input tag with the class as form check input and the type as radio, that's the radio button, with the name as r1 and the id as in. And then here's the label related to that with the text as newest to oldest with the and with the class as form check label. And then similarly in the next label with the text as oldest to newest, there too I have used the class as form check label, and I have used the value of this 4 to O, and I have used the value of this 4 as O, as in the input tag I have given the value of this id as O, and then I have given a name as r1, and then the type of these two is the radio. And then here too I have used the bootstrap class as form check input. And then after that the next label, here too I have used the classes as form label and font weight bold. Here again I have used a label with the text as high to low, and then with the class as form check label and for value of 4 as h, as we have given the id of this input tag as h. Similarly the low to high, brand new and used. And then I have used the bootstrap classes to this button also as button and the button success, that means the color of this button success, and the font weight as bold. And then similarly with this clear button also class as button, here too I have used the color as primary color, that means that blue color, and then here I have used the font weight as bold. And then I have given an id as sort here, and after that I have used another bootstrap class that we didn't found earlier as justify content center, it means to justify the content in the relevant div to center. And then we have used the row class here. Here's the bootstrap card, and in the next div with the class as card body, there I have used the h5 tag, and I have used the class as card title, and I have given the font weight as bold, and I have used the text as apply font 12. And then as the span tag I have used the class as card text, and then font weight as bold, and also the text as primary. And I have given the relevant text here, and have used the line break tag as it means the br tag. And here I have used again a span tag with the class as card text and fw bold and text success, that means the text color is success, and I have used text as 10 items left. And then inside this div tag I have used the input tag with the class as form check input, and then the type as checkbox, and the role as switch here. And then for the label of that I have used the classes as form check label and also fw bold, it means the font weight bold, and then text info, this means the color of the text info. And then I have given the text as make your product be active. I have used a button with the class bgrid as update, it also having the same classes of a button as button and button success, it means the color of the button, and font weight as bold. Here this is a bootstrap pagination, and at last I have included our footer.php file, and after that I have linked our script.js file. So then let's see whether our design is responsive. Here how it displays in a large laptop screen, and here how it displays in a normal laptop screen. Here how our design is displayed in a tablet screen. We can see profile image, the name and email, and this text, and also this button have 10 12 columns, and these tags have centered, and then we can see this sort section also have obtained 12 columns. You can see this button has obtained the total area that given as we gave the dgrid class. Here is the same view in the mobile screen also as in the tablet screen. So then let's meet in the next video, and bye for now.